Hello, welcome to Isbt channel again. I am Pradipta sir, come again with a new chapter, number system of quantitative aptitudes. Our contact number is, you can contact this number 90780 57008 977616158. Okay. You can visit our website www.isbtonline.com. We are going to start a new batch, a fresh batch for ASO, Assistant Section Officer, and IBPS, PO and Clerk. Okay, you can join in our batches. Okay. And my dear friends, you should subscribe and like this channel. Okay, now start the chapter, the number system. Number system. I'll discuss some questions about number system. Important questions. I'll discuss some important questions for you. Okay, the question number 1. What should be the value of under root of 6 plus under root of 6 plus under root of 6 like this up to infinite? What should be the value? Okay, the option is 2, option is 3, option 3 is -2, option 4 is -3, option 5 is none of this. Okay, now the time starts. 30 seconds for you. 30 seconds for you. This question was asked frequently in any competitive examinations, especially in SSC and ASO exam. I can experiment in the lengthy methods and shortcut methods. Okay. Now time is over. Come to the explanation. Come to the explanation. This is the solution. Look at the solution. The first method. This is fundamental method. Fundamental method. Fundamental method क्या है? Given root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 up to infinite. How much? Let root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 like this x. Okay, but you can take the x. Now we can write x square is equal to root 6 plus root 6 plus like this up to infinite ka whole square. So how much? X square is equal to 6 plus like this up to infinite. Okay. Now in the next step we can write x square is equal to 6 plus x, because in the earlier step we can take this is x. Have you understand? 6 plus 6 plus 6 root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6. We have already taken x. So we can write x square is equal to 6 plus x. हम लिख सकते हैं. Or in the next step we can write x square minus x is equal to 0. Yes or no? Again, if you split the x in the middle term, you can find x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. In the first two terms, we can take x as common, so x minus 3. Then we can take 2 common here, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Or we can take x minus 3 as common, then x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So from here, two terms, we can say x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 3. Okay. Or here x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 2. Since it is a positive value, it should be taken. So what is the value? This is the answer. The value of this is equal to 3. Okay, the option is 2. Okay. Suppose we can take the second questions. Then I will tell you the shortcut method for both questions. Question number 2. Question number 2. Suppose this question is root 6 plus root 6 plus under root of 6 plus under root of 6 like this up to infinite. Suppose, sorry, this is minus. This is minus. This is minus. Okay. Root 6 minus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 6 and up to infinite. Okay. What should be the value? Let like this earlier questions. I'm giving the option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, minus 2, and option 5 is none of these. None of these. None of this. Okay. Read the solution. Look at the solution. Look at the solution. 30 seconds for you. Work out. The option is 1, 2, 3, and minus 2, and none of these. Okay. Like the earlier question, we can take left. This is equal to x. Okay, now we can write x square is equal to both side का square. both sides square. Okay, x square is equal to 6 minus root 6 minus root 6 whatever minus root 6 like this. Okay, again in the next step we can write x square is equal to 6 minus x. Okay, because we have already taken this is equal to x. Now we can write x square plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Or now split the middle term x, that is minus 6x square minus here is how much? What is the value? When you split the x, it should be plus 3x minus 2x is equal to 0, or we can write this, we could take the x as common from first two terms, x plus 3, we would take 2 as common, that is x plus 3 is equal to 0. So again, in the next step, this is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 3. Or here, the second term, x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 2. So it is a positive value, answer should be 2. So we can do it, solve it in very shortcut methods. It is shortcut method. If you apply the shortcut methods, it will be solved in only 5 seconds. Only 5 seconds. Only 5 seconds में हो जाएगा. Look at these first questions. Here is the middle term is x, that is minus x. Minus x means the coefficient is minus 1. Here plus x means that is plus 1. So if you split 1 or minus 1, there should be a consecutive numbers. So what are the consecutive numbers? 6 का consecutive number क्या है? 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3 means either 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 or minus 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. So it should be a consecutive number. Okay, first you see what are the consecutive numbers multiplied, it becomes 6. Which numbers of the product of which numbers, which consecutive numbers product is 6. So 2 and 3. If the sign is plus, we take the bigger number, that is 3. If the sign is minus, we can take the smaller number. Okay, so if the question is root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6, like this, the answer should be 3 because it is a positive value. Okay, if the question should be root 6 minus root 6 minus root 6 like this, the answer should be 2. Okay, we take, if you see in the questions, which sign is. If the sign is plus, we take the bigger digit. If the sign is minus, we take the smaller digit. Okay. Okay, you remember what type of questions are coming in the examination. For example, root 2 plus or minus. Continue. It should be, if the plus is, the sign is plus, we take, this means 1 into 2. If the sign is plus, we take the bigger number. If the sign is minus, we take the smaller number. And like this, root 6, okay? Suppose root 12 plus or minus, it should be 3 into 4. If the sign is plus positive, answer should be bigger number. The sign is negative, answer should be negative number. And like this, for example, root 20 plus or minus, it should be 4 into 5. If the sign is positive, we take the bigger number. The sign is negative, we take the smaller number, like this. Okay. I hope you should understand. Okay. This is the first questions, and this is second questions. Next type of question we can write. Okay. Come to the third question. Suppose the value is given root 8 plus under root of 8, under root of 8, under root of 8, like this, continue up to infinite. So what is the value? What should be the value? Okay. The option is 4. Option is 2. Option is 1 plus or minus 33 by 2. Option 4, 2 plus or minus 33 by 2, and none of this. Okay. Now time starts. Only 30 seconds for you. Now time is over. Start the question. What is the solution? Look at the solution. Look at the solution. Like this, earlier questions, we can take x. Let this is equal to x. Okay. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, and x should be taken here. This side. This is LHS. This is LHS. Okay. Now both side का square हो गया, and RHS को लेफ्ट हैंड को ले जा. So it can be written as like this. Okay, open infinite. So in the next step, we can write x square is equal to 8 plus 8. Okay. In the next step, we can write x square minus x minus 8 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Now, we can write also split the middle term, first term और last term को multiply करेगा तो 8 होगा. So 8 का consecutive number नहीं है. X has no consecutive numbers. So here we can apply the alternate method. Alternate method, that is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation में x का वैल्यू कितना है? माइनस बी प्लस और माइनस बी स्क्वायर minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. Here, this is a, this is b, this is c. So a का कितना वैल्यू है? A is equal to x square means 1. B is equal to minus 1. So that is minus x means 1. And c is equal to also minus 8. Okay, now we apply the value. What should be the value of x? Minus b means b ka value minus 1. So minus 1. Then plus or minus b square minus 4 is b square. So minus 1 का whole square minus 4. A means 1 into 1. C means minus 8. Minus 8 by 2a means 2 into 1. That is, this is the value. Then we analysis minus 1, that is positive 1, then plus or minus b square minus 4ac. It is 1, this is plus 32 divided by 2. That should be 1 plus or minus 33 by 2. This is the answer. This is your answer. Okay, try to understand it. Apply the quadratic value equation. Quadratic equation का value का x का value है minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, the answer should be option 3. Okay, then I will tell you it's reverse question. Then I will tell you the shortcut methods. It will also be solved in only 5 seconds. Then come to the next question. Question number 4.